Today, we're diving into some exciting updates about Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6. We've got leaks, rumors, and first looks to discuss, so let's get started. First up, we recently got our first clear view of the Z Fold 6's front, and now, thanks to another leak, we can check out the back as well. Although the images are a bit blurry, it confirms some of the rumors we've been hearing. One surprising detail is the ridge design around the rear cameras, which feels a bit cheap for a device expected to cost over $1,500. At that price, we expect premium design elements. Moving on to some positive news, the leaked images indicate the Z Fold 6 will have a wider display compared to its predecessors. While the increase might not be huge, every bit of additional screen space enhances the user experience, especially when a foldable phone displays real estate resolution. Another design shift for the Z Fold 6 is its move towards a boxier look, abandoning the curvier aesthetic of the Z Fold 5. Thanks to various leaks, including Pacemaker renders and dummy unit images, we have a good idea of the final product. These sharp corners give the phone a more distinct and industrial vibe, reminiscent of the Galaxy S Ultra and Note series. Personally, I think it's a great change. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. For those of you looking for even more variety, there are whispers about potential Z Fold 6 Ultra and Slim models. However, keep in mind that the Ultra variant might only be available in Korea, and the Slim model could be released a few months after the standard Ultra version. Rumors suggest a Q4 2024 release for the Slim model, but we might get a preview at Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event in Paris next month. So stay tuned. Now let's talk benchmarks. Rumors have been suggesting that Samsung will use the same chip for all versions of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Recently, the international version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 appeared on Geekbench, showing the same hardware as the US version. Earlier this month, the US version, model number SMF956U, was benchmarked and showed impressive results. Interestingly, the international version, model SMF956B, scored significantly lower than the US version in both single-core and multi-core tests. This discrepancy is not unusual for pre-release devices, and various factors could be influencing these scores. It's a reminder that benchmark scores for unreleased phones aren't always reliable, so let's wait for the official release before making any final judgments. That wraps up today's update on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'm eager to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the new camera design and the box here? Are you excited about the wider display and the potential Ultra and Slim models? Which phone has you more excited, the Photo Marvel or the feature-packed Powerhouse? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Goodbye.